Are you planning to prepare for PTE in just 15 days? If yes, in this video I'm going to give you a clear 15-day PTE study plan. You can actually follow day by day based on the latest PTE Academic 2025 updates. We will focus on understanding the basics of PTE exam, when to learn templates, when to take mock tests, and how to fix your weak areas in a smart way instead of just doing random practice. If you follow this plan seriously for the next 15 days, you will be able to achieve your target score. Let's get started with your 15-day PTE study plan. Day 1 and 2. Understand the test and learn the basics. The first 2 days are not for heavy practice, they are for understanding. For day 1 and day 2, your goal is simple. Understand all the question types in PTE. Learn which one matter the most for your score. Learn the basic strategies and templates. You can visit the PTE official website for a full PTE overview and understanding of the format, and take notes on high scoring questions. Save or print your templates for summarize written text, write essay, summarize spoken text, summarize group discussion, and respond to a situation. By the end of day 2, you should clearly know which tasks you will focus on in the next 13 days, which tasks are high scoring questions, and which tasks are less important. Day 3 and 4. Start core practice with speaking and writing. From day 3, we start proper practice. On day 3 and 4, focus on speaking and writing. Your speaking practice should include 10 read aloud, 15 repeat sentence, 2 to 3 summarize group discussion, 3 to 4 respond to a situation, 2 describe image or 2 retell lecture just to stay comfortable, 5 answer short questions, and note, focus on repeat sentence and summarize group discussion as they are high scoring questions. Then your writing practice, 1 summarize written text and 1 essay, and note, in this focus on summarize written text as it is also a high scoring question. Use Gurully's AI scoring to see, is your fluency good in read aloud and repeat sentence? Are you using the templates correctly in summarize written text and essay? Is your content, pronunciation and fluency okay in the new speaking tasks? Don't worry about being perfect during this time. The goal of day 3 and 4 is to get into the rhythm and apply what you learned on day 1 and 2. Day 5 and 6. Core practice with reading and listening. On day 5 and 6, shift your focus to reading and listening. For reading, practice 10 fill in the blanks, drag and drop, 10 fill in the blanks, drop down, 5 to 8 reorder paragraphs, 5 multiple choice, multiple answer, and 5 multiple choice, single answer. And for listening, practice 2 summarize spoken text, 10 fill in the blanks, type in version, 5 highlight incorrect words, 10 to 15 write from dictation, 5 multiple choice, multiple answer, 5 multiple choice, single answer, 5 highlight correct summary, and 5 select missing word. And remember, focus on write from dictation as it is also a high scoring question. During practicing these, pay attention to how many fill in the blanks you get correct out of total, whether you understand why each correct option is correct. In write from dictation, how many words you miss due to spelling or careless errors. Along with this, read something in English for 30 minutes like a newspaper and do a 10 to 15 minutes of spelling practice, and by the end of day 6, you have touched all high impact tasks at least twice. Day 7. Take a full mock test. Day 7 is your first mock test day. Take a full mock test on Gurully with a proper USB headset with a good mic and no pausing, no distraction. You have to go with this mock test with the same mindset as the real exam. After the mock test, look at your overall score. Look at each module. Look at your enabling skills like fluency, pronunciation, grammar, spelling, vocabulary, etc. Then spend at least 1 hour analyzing where did you lose the most marks. Was it speaking fluency, fill in the blanks, write from dictation, or essay or summarize written text? Write down your top 3 weak areas. These will decide your schedule for the next few days. Day 8 to 10. Targeted practice based on your weaknesses. Now your plan becomes personal. From day 8 to day 10, your priority is to attack your weak areas, not randomly do everything. For example, if your speaking score is low, practice 25 repeat sentence with focus on fluency and 50 to 70% content. Practice 2 to 3 summarize group discussion and 3 to 4 respond to a situation daily. While doing this, record yourself and listen back. And if your reading score is low, practice 20 to 25 fill in the blanks, drag and drop, and 20 to 25 fill in the blanks, drop down daily. Keep a vocabulary and mistake notebook, and after every question, check why the wrong options are wrong. And if your listening score is low, practice 20 write from dictation every day, 10 fill in the blanks, the typing version, 2 summarize spoken text, and review each write from dictation sentence and write it again correctly. And if your writing score is low, practice 1 summarized written text and 1 essay daily using templates. Compare your answers with good samples. Focus on structure, coherence, and grammar. During these 3 days, you should also maintain 20 to 30 minutes of reading, 10 to 15 minutes of speaking, a bit of listening for general English like podcast, YouTube, etc. and 30 to 40 minutes of writing. Day 11. Module-wise intensive practice. Day 11 is a heavy practice day, but still focused. You can treat day 11 as a mini extensive mock day, where you do a speaking heavy session with read aloud, repeat sentence, summarize group discussion, and respond to a situation. After the speaking session, you should also do a reading heavy session with fill in the blanks, drag and drop down version. Also with reorder paragraphs, or split the day between morning and evening sessions. In morning, do a speaking and writing session. In evening, do a reading and listening session. The idea is to create exam style pressure but still stay inside practice mode. Day 12. Second full mock test. On day 12, you will have to take your second full mock test and compare its result to your day 7 mock test. And try to figure out, did your weak areas improve? Is your overall score moving closer to your target score? Are there still 1 or 2 modules pulling you down? If your target is, for example, 65 and you are around 63 to 67 in mocks, you are on track. But if you are still far away, it means you don't have a plan problem. You have a time problem and you need more than 15 days. But even then, these 15 days will not be wasted. They become your base. Day 13 and 14. Fix what mock to exposed. Day 13 and 14 are all about repair work. Look at your day 12 mock. If speaking score is still low, double down on repeat sentence and summarize group discussion. If reading score is still low, practice more fill in the blanks, drop down version. If listening score is low, practice more write from dictation. If writing score is low, practice summarize written text and essay with proper review. These 2 days are not for trying new tricks. These are for stopping your repeated mistakes. And you should re-attempt all the questions that you got wrong in the mock. Note down the patterns. Are you always missing the articles, prepositions, certain vocabulary, and calmly repeat those areas until they feel more natural. Day 15. Final day checklist. Day 15 is all about keeping your mind calm and preparing yourself for a smooth exam day. There is no heavy practice today. Your job is to protect your energy. Start by making sure you get proper sleep. Don't stay up late memorizing templates or doing last minute practice. A fresh brain always performs better in PTE or any other exam. And most important, prepare all your exam essentials in advance. Keep your passport ready, double check your exam confirmation email, confirm the test center location and travel time. Set your alarm and plan to arrive 15 to 20 minutes early. And then spend a few minutes going through your template sheet, your mistake notebook, just a gentle revision to refresh your memory, nothing intensive. Take it easy, keep your mind light and let your preparation settle in. Tomorrow is the real test. Today is for recovery and clarity. So that's your 15-day PTE study plan. If you want more structured study plans, PTE tips and scoring breakdowns, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching the video. I will see you in the next one.